Hey guys, Tyler here, and I just wanted to let you know that the price for these thumbstick grips is changing all the time, so be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. And once you get them, you'll be like me and quick on the sticks. Hey guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the KontrolFreek thumbstick grips. Now, these are the FPS Freak Galaxy grips right here. You do get two of them in the package here, and this is what the grips look like. They have this kind of rubberized surface on the top and a lot of different grooves around the edges. But let me tell you why I love these grips so much. I've been using thumb grips for about the last 5 years now, and they help so much. You can see even on their packaging, it says it can increase your KD by 26%, but I really love these thumb grips. This is the taller one, the one that I would probably put on my right stick or whichever stick I use for aiming. You can see it's really nice and tall, so you get a little bit more leverage and a little bit better range of motion with the taller added grip. Now, I will tell you, thumbstick grips do take some time to get used to, so allow yourself some time to actually go ahead and practice with them and get used to them. But once you get the hang of them, they're so useful and so helpful. And honestly, I have trouble going back to a regular controller after this because I play so much better with these thumbstick grips. And these KontrolFreek ones specifically have such a nice grip to them, and I highly recommend them. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.